Hello everyone! Welcome to Vege and Koji Zen Cooking Love. Let's boost your immunity with Japanese fermented food. My name is Yoshiki Ito. In this channel, I will introduce Shojin cuisine. Shojin cuisine is vegetarian food eaten in Japanese Buddhist temples. And I am using fermented seasonings as food in all the recipes. I would like to propose weekend Shojin cuisine just for a start. Today's weekend Shojin cuisine is SHIO KOJI EDAMAME. SHIO KOJI adds umami and mild saltiness to edamame and makes it so delicious. Fermented seasonings are indispensable for cooking as they add a nice aroma and deliciousness to the dishes. I will also talk about 4 points that are likely to lead to failure in the SHIO KOJI edamame making process. I hope you will like it. Edamame has a lot of health benefits. For example, 1. Rich in vitamins B1 and B2. It is effective for fatigue recovery and dieting. 2. Rich in potassium. It has a positive diuretic effect and is effective in the elimination of swelling. 3. Rich in dietary fiber. It improves the intestinal environment. In fact, edamame and soybeans are originally made from the seeds of the same plant, only the harvest time is different. Edamame are young green soybeans harvested during the immature period. If you wait until they are mature, the brown and dry ones become soybeans. Currently, there are about 400 types of edamame. That's a lot. Now, let's make SHIO KOJI edamame together. It requires only 3 ingredients. Ingredients: 200 grams edamame, 1 to 1.5 tablespoons SHIO KOJI, 2 tablespoons sesame oil. Please see here for how to make SHIO KOJI. I will put the URL in the remarks column. First, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of coarse salt on the edamame. Toss and rub them together. In this way, you can remove the downy hair on the surface and this improves the texture. Second, rinse off the salt and drain. If you cut the tip before washing, the water comes into the pot and it makes for soggy edamame. Wash it first for the best result. Pat the excess moisture dry with a cloth. Third, cut off the tip with kitchen scissors. This makes it easier to eat. I am studying English with such a beginner's newspaper. English is difficult for me. Fourth, put the edamame and SHIO KOJI in a bowl and mix well. Then add sesame oil and mix. I think the hands are sensitive and therefore the best cooking tool. Fifth, marinate it in the refrigerator for 5 hours to overnight. The extended time makes it more delicious. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 8 minutes. 7th, it's done. Serve immediately and enjoy. It tastes best just out of the oven. You can add your favorite spices and you can make different versions of salted edamame. For example, I also like edamame mixed with paprika powder. Mix the edamame with shio koji and sesame oil and let it sit, then mix with 1 teaspoon of paprika powder before baking in the oven. The aroma and taste are deepened. The color is red, but it's not spicy, so children can eat it. Next, I would like to talk about 4 critical points so that you will not fail when making shio koji edamame. 1. Remove the water from the edamame. If the shio koji is diluted with water and it becomes less delicious. As I learned during my training under an experienced chef, as with all cooking, removing the excess moisture will make the taste much more delicious. Please try to keep this in mind. 2. After mixing the shio koji, mix in the sesame oil. If you mix in the sesame oil first, the oil will repel the shio koji and the taste will not come out. 3. Place in the refrigerator for 5 hours to overnight. It tastes okay if you mix the koji and sesame oil and bake it in the oven immediately, but there is no depth. Please enjoy the deliciousness that time makes. 4. Do not overcook in the oven. To keep the signature texture of edamame, do not overcook. If you overcook, you will spoil both texture and sweetness. These are the 4 points. My beloved koji has many other powers besides making food delicious. For example, improve the intestinal environment, reduce stress, counter aging, strengthen the immune system, helps digestion. Let's say koji every day to extend our healthy life expectancy. On my channel, I will introduce a lot of dishes using this shio koji and other koji seasoning. And I will also introduce Shojin cuisine that is 100% plant-based and use this koji seasoning. Let's have fun with weekend Shojin cuisine together. Please subscribe to my channel. ありがとうございました。